Welcome back to the channel. You're watching Apple Insider, and today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful smartphones of the year, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This phone isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold statement from Samsung. A phone that dares to push every boundary, from performance to photography, from design to battery life. So whether you're a hardcore Android fan, an iPhone user curious about the competition, or just someone looking for your next smartphone, this review will give you everything you need to know. Let's break it down keynote style, just like you're sitting at a launch event, and we're about to unveil why the Galaxy S24 Ultra might just be the ultimate smartphone experience in 2025. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Galaxy S24 Ultra takes the idea of premium design and turns it into a physical object. At first glance, it's unmistakably a Samsung flagship, but when you hold it, the refinement is instantly noticeable. The flat titanium frame replaces the curved edges of the past, bringing a more industrial, elegant feel while also improving grip. It's lighter than the S23 Ultra, thanks to the titanium alloy, but still feels incredibly solid and premium in the hand. This is not a phone that feels cheap in any way. Every corner, every edge, every detail feels like it's been polished to perfection. The front is dominated by a near bezel-less display with Corning Gorilla Armor, not just for scratch resistance but also for significantly reduced reflections. You don't realize how much this matters until you're outside, under direct sunlight, and the S24 Ultra remains clear and legible. Around back, the matte glass finish resists fingerprints like a pro. The minimalist camera layout remains, and the subtle Samsung branding is all the confidence this phone needs. It's IP68 water and dust resistant, of course. And even the S Pen, which still tucks neatly into the bottom frame, feels smoother and snappier this year. Overall, the design is bold, luxurious, and unmistakably ultra. Number 2. Display. Samsung has always been the king of displays, and the S24 Ultra continues to reign supreme. It's rocking a 6.8-inch QHD plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, but this year, the difference is in the details. First off, it peaks at an insane 2600 nits of brightness. And no, that's not a typo. Whether you're watching HDR content or just navigating your phone under harsh sunlight, this screen simply glows. The colors are vivid, the contrast is infinite thanks to AMOLED tech, and the adaptive 1Hz to 120Hz refresh rate makes everything feel buttery smooth while still being battery conscious. Scrolling, gaming, watching YouTube or Netflix, everything looks cinematic. And because the display is completely flat this year, it's more usable than ever. No accidental touches, no color distortion at the edges. Samsung's Vision Booster tech has also gotten smarter, adapting not just to brightness levels but also to your content. Watching movies, reading text, editing photos, it intelligently enhances contrast and colors based on what you're doing. Simply put, this is the best display on any smartphone, period. Number 3. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra packs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. That, for Galaxy, part matters. It's a specially tuned version, giving Samsung devices an extra edge in performance. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage, this phone doesn't just perform, it dominates. Every app opens instantly. Gaming is fluid, even with the most demanding titles like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, or PUBG at max settings. Samsung's new vapor chamber cooling system keeps thermals in check, so you get sustained peak performance without overheating or throttling. And, with on-device AI enhancements powering everything from voice transcription to photo editing to live translations, performance isn't just fast, it's smart. This is a phone that anticipates what you want and makes it happen in milliseconds. It also supports Wi-Fi 7 and the latest in 5G connectivity. Whether you're streaming, downloading, or playing online games, it's as fast and future-ready as phones get in 2025. Number 4. Camera. The camera system on the S24 Ultra might be its most impressive feature yet. Samsung went with a quad camera setup featuring a new 200 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, a 10MP3x telephoto, and an all-new 50MP5x telephoto sensor that replaces the previous 10x zoom. That might sound like a downgrade at first, but it's not. The new 5x lens is faster, sharper, and way more useful in everyday shooting. Combined with Samsung's AI-powered image processing, you're getting sharper detail, better colors, and dramatically improved low-light performance. The main 200-megapixel sensor captures ridiculous amounts of detail. You can crop into your shots and still end up with Instagram-worthy results. Nightography, Samsung's term for low-light photography, continues to impress with brighter, clearer, and more color-accurate photos, even in almost total darkness. Video is just as powerful, up to 8K at 30 FPS, plus cinematic 4K at 60 across all lenses. And with new Pro Visual Engine AI tools, video stabilization, HDR tone mapping, and even real-time background blurring have been improved. Selfies from the 12-megapixels front camera are sharper too, with better skin tones and natural depth. Samsung's camera software also gives you total manual control if you want it, from Pro Mode to Expert RAW. In short, it's a camera system built not just for Instagram but for professionals too. Number 5. Battery life. With a 5000 mAh battery, you'd expect all-day performance, and the S24 Ultra delivers. But what makes it even more impressive this year is the battery optimization powered by AI and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Even under heavy use, think 120Hz display on all day, camera usage, gaming, and multitasking, this phone still pushes through a full day with juice to spare. On lighter days, you can easily stretch into the second day without worry. It supports 45W fast charging, giving you about 65% in just 30 minutes. And yes, it still has wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for your earbuds or Galaxy Watch. Efficiency is the key here. Samsung has fine-tuned the hardware and software to work together, so you get maximum battery without sacrificing brightness, performance, or features. Number 6. Software and features. The S24 Ultra ships with One UI 6.1 on top of Android 14, and it's smarter, cleaner, and more powerful than ever. Samsung's new Galaxy AI takes center stage here. From live call translations to AI photo editing, to automatic summarization of notes and even intelligent search powered by Circle to search with Google, this phone is bursting with intelligent features. The S Pen remains a productivity powerhouse, now with lower latency and more precise handwriting to text conversion. Samsung Notes can summarize your meeting scribbles, and Smart Select makes screen capture and content sharing so much easier. Dex Mode turns your phone into a full desktop experience when plugged into a monitor. And if you're deep in the Samsung ecosystem, everything syncs smoothly across Galaxy Buds, Galaxy Watches, and tablets. Samsung also promises 7 years of software updates, matching Google and outpacing most Android rivals. That's a huge win for long-term users. Number 7. Value for money. Let's be real, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is not cheap. But what you're getting isn't just a phone, it's a portable computer, a pro-grade camera, a smart assistant, and a productivity machine all rolled into one. Starting around $1,299, the price tag is high, but the value matches it. If you're someone who uses your phone for work, creativity, and entertainment, this device will not disappoint. With unparalleled hardware, software smarts, and years of updates, it's an investment that feels justified. And unlike many competitors, Samsung includes full ecosystem support, great trade-in deals, and bundles that add value to your purchase. So what's the verdict? The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the most complete Android phone ever made. From its refined design and mind-blowing display to its AI-infused performance, pro-grade camera system, and exceptional battery life, it checks every single box and then some. It's not trying to reinvent the smartphone, it's perfecting what a flagship should be. Yes, it's expensive, but if you want the best of the best, not just in specs, but in real-world usability, this is it. No compromises, no gimmicks, just pure power, elegance, and intelligence. Thanks for watching this in-depth review on Apple Insider. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dives on the latest smartphones and tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. Catch you in the next one.